What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why we have this movement to the downside for about 10%. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very top and I've told you that I see multiple signs of potential movement to the downside, and because of these signs I highly recommended you not to enter your swing trade long position. And my main assumption was that we should unload this structure and we should land somewhere lower. And as you can see, right after I made my previous video, we had this movement to the downside, and BABA stock lost about 10% of its value. So congratulations to all of you who took my call and who didn't enter your long position. And you might wonder how I identified this potential movement. Definitely I saw this top and we hit this range of resistance, and let me mark this line for you. And it was the first sign. Second sign, we had on hourly time frame, we had extremely high RSI, and basically we had this RSI on the multiple time frames. This means when RSI is extremely overbought, this means we have to have some kind of pullback, and this pullback should unload this indicator. And it happens, as you can see right now, it is exactly in the middle of this range, and this means on hourly time frame RSI is pretty much neutral. So what should we expect next and how we can identify this movement to the upside, I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let me show you the latest news and let me show you why we have this decrease in BABA price. So if you type in Google search bar BABA stock and switch to news tab folder, you can see a lot of news directly related to BABA and to its potential IPO of Ant Group. And let me show you one of the latest ones. And it was published on June the 9th, and it's titled Alibaba shares drop 8% after Jack Ma's Ant Group and regulator squash talk of revived IPO. And let me quote you these bullets. Alibaba shares dropped 8% on Thursday after its financial affiliate Ant Group said there were currently no plans to revive a public listing. The China Securities Regulatory Commission said it had not concluded evaluation and research work regarding the potential Ant Group IPO. The planned IPO of Ant Group, which is controlled by billionaire Alibaba founder Jack Ma, was pulled in November 2020 after regulators flagged concerns with the company. And right after this event, basically Alibaba stock fell off the cliff. And let me quote you this. On Thursday, Bloomberg reported Chinese financial regulators have commenced early-stage discussions about reviving the IPO, citing people familiar with the matter. Reuters reported that Chinese leadership has given the green light for listing. But Ant Group said there are no plans for an IPO. Under the guidance of regulators, we are focused on steadily moving forward with our rectification work and do not have any plan to initiate an IPO, a spokesperson for the company told CNBC on Thursday. And definitely because of this statement, we have the decrease in Alibaba price. And that's why I have to say that every time when you see some kind of bearish or bullish signs on the price chart from the technical standpoint, every time some news appears out of nowhere and it drives the price. So, and definitely this news is quite bearish, but I have to say that it is a short-term bearish news and it cannot be a long-term catalyst for Alibaba. That's why, in my opinion, we might see the next movement to the upside if in the next couple of sessions we will see some good news related to BABA. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me clean the chart a little bit. I don't need unnecessary tools, and let's take a look how we can make a breakdown of this movement from this very bottom to this top. And definitely, as you can see, we have this as our lowest point. One point that is lower than this one is this previous swing low. And definitely from this bottom, we might have some kind of movement to the upside. And on a bigger scale, probably we might have something like this. This might be our first wave, second, 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhere higher we might land the top of our fifth wave, then retracement, and we have this top of the fifth wave on a slightly bigger scale, and we might land somewhere higher. And I have to adjust this tool, I have to upgrade the scale of this wave. And on a slightly smaller scale, from this bottom, we clearly see several waves, and let me show you in details this movement. If I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and project from the bottom of the retracement, as you can see, we have a perfect touch of 1.618 extension, and it is the most common extension in the third wave compared to the first one. This means because of this volume as well, this movement to the upside is nothing else than the internal third wave inside the third wave. And this means, let me clean the chart a little bit, I don't need this tool right now, and this means probably we might have something like this. This is our first wave, second, third, fourth, and we have to land the top of our fifth wave. And let me downgrade this scale. And how we can define these two points, the bottom of the fourth wave and the top of our fifth wave. Definitely we should project it with the Fibonacci retracement tool. And I have to turn off this tool right now. And to project this bottom, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the second wave to the top of the third wave. Basically, we have to measure the entire third wave. And as you can see, we are hovering right now exactly at the range of 0.382. It is $110.15. And definitely we broke it to the downside, and because of this we might land a bit lower, and we might land even at 0.5. It is $106.65. And from this range we might have a trend reversal, because in the third wave usually we cannot see the deep retracement, and that's why the golden pocket range might not be hit by the price. And that's why we have basically two major ranges, if it is the case, and if the next leg will be to the upside. We have two major ranges where we can accumulate our position, and it is a 0.382, and it is a price point of 110.15, and 0.5 at the price point of $106.65. So what should we expect next from the price? Definitely, if it is the bottom of our fourth wave, we can project the top of our fifth wave. And let me show you like this. If I pull the Fibonacci extension tool for now from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave, and if it is the bottom of the fourth wave, and I have some doubts about it, we might land at the most probable range of extension. It is 0.786 Fibonacci extension range. It is the price point of $131.61. But if I turn on the Fibonacci retracement tool, and if I project the bottom of the fourth wave from the most probable range of 0.5, as you can see, we have very strong confluence of 0.786 Fibonacci retracement range with our yellow line, and it is the previous range of support / resistance. And definitely, if you accumulate your position at these ranges, $1.10 and $1.6, we might have the next leg to the upside that will complete the third wave. And from these ranges, we might have up to let me show it to you, up to 20% of upside potential. Definitely decent movement to the upside with a very good profits, but we have to be very cautious, because if this asset moves south, and if it breaks 0.5 and even golden pocket range, it shouldn't break the top of the first wave right here. at the price point of roughly $99.73, because if it breaks it, it will invalidate this movement to the upside as the motive wave, and most likely we might see some kind of longer consolidation phase, and that's why we cannot project any more movements to the upside without this data. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.